It's Erica and I'm here today with this hairstyle tutorial. I'm going to show you guys how I get my high puff with this texture, because sometimes my high puffs are more straight but this one's more curly. So I'm going to show you guys how to get this one. If you guys want one with more volume instead of texture, let me know down below and I'll be sure to make another video. This is actually going to be a voiceover, so like this video if you like it. Subscribe for more hair videos and more natural hair products and everything else that I do on my channel, and I'll see you guys back for more. Okay, so first things first, I wet my fingertips with some olive oil. I do that so that there's no friction between my hair and my fingers that cause breakage. So I'm going to do that to take down all of my bantu knots. These bantu knots were done on a fresh wash. I washed my hair 2 days before this, and so they're totally dry. And so I take down every single bantu knot, but I don't separate them yet. I just take all of them down at once. After I'm done taking them out, I just kind of like shake it up a little bit, and then I'm going to go through every single one again with my little spray bottle and conditioner. There's some Cream of Nature in there, leave-in conditioner, and some water, and I spray all over my hair. Make sure every single one is a little bit wet, a little bit moisturized. And then I rub it in, and then I go back and I separate each bantu knot. I don't make my own separations, I just pull it apart where it naturally separates. You can usually feel it if you stretch out the hair, wherever it kind of like breaks, that's where I separate it. I know a lot of people curl the hair after they separate it, but I just let it be. Sometimes you have to separate it twice, sometimes once. Usually my hair does once. Sometimes if you do it twice, it might frizz up the hair a little bit. Now I'm adding more olive oil to my hands to rub through my hair after I finish separating it, just to give it a little bit of shine and to get the moisture sealed into my bantu knots, because I use olive oil as a sealant. And now I'm going to take my pick and pick out my roots to stretch out my hair. I was going to say a little bit, but kind of like a lot. I go through each section and I pull up from the roots. I don't go to the ends, because if you go out to the ends it's going to mess up the curl pattern. So I just pull the roots out a little bit to get a little extra length in my hair. And also to separate, so like where the bantu knots were, sometimes there's like a mark of separation in there, and so I use the pick to blend all the hair together. And now I get a hard brush and I just brush back my puff into the placement where I want it to be, just so I could like see the hair and get it used to it being back, so that like when I get the shoestring to put it on, the hair's kind of like already where it needs to be and like tamed. And now I'm spraying the perimeters with some more water and conditioner, so that when I put the gel on, I feel like the water kind of activates the gel and makes it work better. I'm using Eco Styler gel in the olive oil version, and I'm just gonna get like a dollop of it and put it on my palm. And then I'm gonna rub it into the front of my hair and the back of my hair, not into the middle, but just like the edges. The part that needs to be laid. Using my sister's Shine and Jam like edge control to also go on top of the gel, just to give it a little bit of extra shine, a little bit of extra control. I've never used it before, so using it with the Eco Styler was something new for me, and it did work out. And now I'm using a shoelace because I couldn't find a headband at first. So I improvised with the shoelace, and I'm just going to tie it around in the front and then tie it towards the back and push the ends inside. So I'm going to tie it around my hair and push the shoestring up from the back because I want the hair to be more forward. So in order to get it forward, you move the shoestring up instead of pushing it from the front back. And now I'm just gonna pick out the hair now that it's in the puff to shape it how I want to in the puff and to stretch it out a little bit, because of course my hair has shrunk a little bit since I stopped picking it because my hair is just constantly shrinking. I'm gonna use my hands to fluff it up. And now I'm getting my scarf and just tying it around the front of my puff, the part that's laying down, so that it stays down throughout the entire day. Because if I don't do this part, it does tend to get frizzy. And now I'm just going to take my olive oil sheen and spray it on the top of my puff so that it looks nice and healthy and glistening in the sunlight. And then once I take my scarf off, I'm just going to pull out 2 ends of my hair in the back of my puff from the edges and use the Shine and Jam edge control and curl it around my finger so that it can just be like a little decoration piece in the back. And now I'm taking a bobby pin and pinning my shoelace so that it doesn't come loose during the day. This is not a necessary step, it's just a step that I take because my hair tends to like stretch out the string and then my puff isn't as tight as I want it to be. The end. See y'all later. Subscribe.